So this is my first lecture on the signal and system series. In this lecture I will be telling you how to design the unit step function, unit impulse function, unit ramp function and the rectangular pulse. So you all know about the unit step, unit impulse, unit ramp functions and the rectangular pulse. I'll be telling only how to design them in the Matlab function. Okay. So here let's quickly move on to the Matlab code of the unit step function. So first of all, let me tell you what is the unit step function, that we are generating every function in the range of -4 to 4, which we have given the value x. So every function is generated in the range of this, like the unit step, unit impulse, ramp, as well as the rectangular pulse. Now what code which is designed to actually design the unit step function is sine of x plus 1 by 2. This function directly generates the unit step function. For unit impulse function, this is generated by sine of x plus 1 by 2 and plus sine of x minus 0.0001 plus x by 2. So this is the ramp function which is being generated over here. This is the step function, which is same, and we subtract the ramp from it and we'll get the impulse function. Sorry, this is the impulse response, and when we subtract from this we'll get the impulse function. Okay, so third line is the subplot, which is used to design the plot, that is the 2 to 1. Now if we don't use the subplot function here, then we'll get a simple plot of plot xy. Otherwise, if we want to create a subplot, then we use a subplot count. That is, we want to create all the plots in the single window, then we use a subplot command. Here this 2 signifies the number of columns, number of rows we are using. Second 2 signifies the number of columns we have, and the third is the figure number, that is first, second, third or fourth, which we have used. For the unit step we have used 1, for the unit impulse we have used 2, for the unit ramp function we have used 3, and for the rectangular width we have used 4. So this is the signal which is used to generate the rectangular pulse of width 2 seconds. Rest all the elements are same, that is title. Title is a rectangular pulse. If you define it by title, you can go back to the other Matlab tutorials and find the title, as find the details of title, x level, y level and other plotting variables from that. In this only I am showing the title is this rectangular pulse, which I have defined for everyone, and the x level is this, y level is this. Okay, y level is this, and the axis, that is we have to define the axis as well, in which axis it is going to lie. So when I run the program from here, it will give me directly the unit step function, which is when there is 0, the response is 1. This is a unit step function. And for unit impulse function, when the time is 0, the response is 1. For ramp function, it is 0. It varies in the range of 0 and 1. It gives a ramp in the range of 0 and 1. And for rectangular pulses, we have used it for 2 second width, so it gives a range of 0 to 2. Okay, that was all about the unit ramp function and unit step function. In the next lecture, we will be dealing further with one more example of some high functions for signal and systems. So till then, goodbye, and do subscribe to my channel, because the more you subscribe, the more it gives me boost to make new videos. I have already not been in touch from the past few times, but will be doing it in future very soon. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.